Welcome back. Policemen challenge people for violating traffic rules and for not wearing helmets. But what to do when the policemen themselves are caught violating traffic signs? A police constable was caught riding bike on wrong side and violating the traffic rules near South Goa Collectorate. Have a look.
शॉर्टकट मारवायला हॅलो हे किती शॉर्ट काढू एक साइड हे पहा आता शॉर्ट काढू
हा फोटो नाही का
ते सांगितलं पण एक स्क्रिप्ट राहिलो हां कोण होता याची
आता गेले ना
कोण होता याची तू की शॉर्टकट मारवायला आणि लोकांना लॉंग कट मारलास पाहिजे हां सॉरी तुम्ही आम चालावून जाय मला तू आता बोर्ड दिला ते बोर्ड पळयला ना बोर्ड किती आहा तिंगा
In a major setback to the reform moves by the Modi-led NDA government, Parliament was adjourned on Thursday, Saturday, without any of the key bills, including the GST, being passed. The monsoon session of the Parliament has been a complete washout. Sources said the decision to reconvene monsoon session after a washout of last 3 weeks due to disruptions by Congress-led opposition will depend on whether there is some significant headway with other parties on the contentious GST bill.
कि कांग्रेस पार्टी का सही इरादा ये था कि देश आर्थिक दृष्टि से प्रगति न करे और जो उसके लिए कदम उठाने हैं संसद उनको टेकअप न कर पाए। आंकड़े उनके खिलाफ हैं, तर्क उनके खिलाफ हैं, इसलिए केवल लंग पावर का प्रयोग करके उनको रोका जाए। इंडिया स्टैंड्स एजुकेटेड अबाउट बोथ द कांग्रेस पार्टी एंड इट्स द फैमिली दैट कंट्रोल्स इट। द नंबर्स इन द राज्यसभा even for a constitution amendment, considering that most other parties were supporting the GST, the numbers even for a two-third majority in the Rajya Sabha were loaded against the Congress. Therefore, they prevented a debate in the Rajya Sabha or a proceeding in the Rajya Sabha by not allowing the House to come to order.
History Lovers Group has taken an initiative to restore and save the historic Betul Fort. The fort is in a state of neglect. Fort was built in 1679 by Bali Havaldar on the orders of great Maratha ruler Shivaji. This is the only fort built by Shivaji in Goa. They have appealed the local MLA Babu Khawlekar and Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar to save the fort and support this cause. They have demanded that the fort should be listed under archives and archaeology.
तो आमचे हिस्ट्री लवर्स ग्रुपा तर्फे आमी आख्खो क्लीन करून घेतलेलो आसा हो सद्याक हांगा भरपूर झाडां येयल्लीं आशिल्लीं आनी तण येयल्लें आशिल्लें तेका लागून हांगा कसली क्लॅरिटी दिसती पडनाशिल्ली। आज जो तुमकां व्यू दिसती पडटा तो हो स्ट्रॅटेजीक पॉयंट जो आशिल्लो शिवाजी महाराजान जे बांदपाक लायल्ले बाणीच्या हवालदाराक तो स्ट्रॅटेजीक व्यू कित्याक लागून बांदलेलो आनी अल्टिमेटली जो डिफेन्स मेकॅनिझम हितून येता ते आमकां कळून येता आयज। माझो रिक्वेस्ट आसा आर्किओलॉजी सर्वे डिपार्टमेंटाक की तेणी हेतून लक्ष घालचें कित्याक हो किल्लो जो आसा तो लिस्टेड ना, तो जाता तितले बेगीन लिस्टेड करून घेवचो आनी बेतुलकारांक तशेंच सगळे गोंयकारांक हे किल्ल्याचें महत्व कळचें।
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.